Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upload your own content on Adobe Express and how you can check out your recent files. So let's just start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that we need to open the Adobe Express and we have to create an account on that. So as you can see, I have already opened the Adobe Express. Now simply what we need to do, we have to choose that what we want to do. For example, I'm going to choose this template. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, you will be redirected to the editing mode. So let's click on this and we have to wait until it loads. So as you can see, the template is open. Now what we need to do, simply, as you can see, if you want to edit the templates, you can also do it. All the controls are provided here. Now simply we have to go to the your stuff section. As you can see, it has the your stuff. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see all the recent files here. So let's click on the your stuff, and after that, as you can see, if you want to go to the libraries section, you can also go there, and if you want to go to the files section, you can also do that. As you can see, these are those templates which I have recently used. If you want to upload any kind of other thing, you can also do that. It's up to you. As you can see, these options are also provided here, like in which format you want to see this. The bullets are also provided here. This way you can check out your recent files, recent templates, whom you have worked. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check your recent files on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.